Anybody that's done segmented wood turning or laminated wood turning for pepper mills or rolling pins, you get your pieces cut out, you glue them up, you set them to the side, wait for that glue to cure for 24 hours. You go mount it on the lathe, you turn it to the form you like, you sand it to where it's silky smooth, you put your finish on it, everything's looking great. You go back a couple weeks later and you feel that piece and you feel along the glue joint and there's a little ridge there. That doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. What that's called is glue creep. The way that was explained to me is this is kiln dried wood. So when I apply glue to that, I'm applying some moisture to that as well, which allows those wood fibers to swell slightly. Now when you turn that piece, that glue is fully cured, but those wood fibers are still maintaining some of that moisture. So in a couple weeks, when that moisture is evaporated out of the wood shrinks back to where it normally would, but the glue doesn't shrink. So that creates that glue ridge that you're feeling. The way I've kind of resolved this problem is I will glue my pieces up and I'll set them to the side for a couple weeks. I've even went to the point where I will rough turn the piece and set it to the side, go back a couple weeks later, and if I feel that ridge on there, then I know the wood has lost that moisture and it's went back to where it normally should. I can finish turning my piece, sand it, and put my finish on it, and I don't have a problem with that glue ridge any longer. So give this a try and see, and hopefully it'll help you out. But most of all, just get out to the shop, make some shavings, make some sawdust, and have some fun.